bonus reading for March the 20 to the 21st, fire signs. Your cards are the Four of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. So, I feel like si person meron pang hold, ano, sa'yo. Even though that you have challenges, even though that you and your person might be in separation right now, may mga pagkakataon dito na si person ayaw kang bitawan because meron pa siya talagang nararamdaman, no? I feel like there is a sense of owning you. Meron din ditong gusto kong ibalik yung mga nangyayari sa atin or nangyari sa atin. I feel like this is more of your person wanting to win you back with the Seven of Wands. Gagawa at gagawa siya ng mga paraan para maibalik, no? Not just winning you back, but also winning your trust back bago siya siguro sabihin niya sa'yo na gusto kitang ligawan uli or gusto kong simulan natin ito uli. I feel like may pag-amo dito, no, si person sa'yo. So this is your bonus reading for March the 20 to the 21st.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls.